Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with GoDaddy for creating a US niche affiliate website, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the GoDaddy website. Click on the Start for Free button on the home page. Create an account by entering your email and setting a password. Once your account is created, log in to your GoDaddy dashboard. Locate the Domains section in the main menu. Click on the Get a New Domain button. Search for a domain name that reflects your niche. Choose a domain extension, preferably .com, for a professional look. Select your desired domain and click Add to Cart. Review your cart, ensuring the correct domain is selected. Proceed to checkout by clicking the Continue to Cart button. Choose necessary add-ons, like domain privacy, for added security. Enter payment information to finalize your domain purchase. Once the purchase is complete, navigate back to your dashboard. Select the Web Hosting section in the menu. Click on Get Started for a new hosting plan. Compare the available plans and choose one that fits your needs. Proceed by clicking Add to Cart for the selected hosting plan. Review your hosting plan in the cart and confirm your selection. Complete your payment information to set up your hosting account. After your hosting account is set up, go back to the dashboard. Click on My Products to view your domain and hosting. Under Web Hosting, click on Manage. Locate the Settings menu and select File Manager. Upload your website files. If using WordPress, click on Install WordPress under the hosting details. Follow the on-screen instructions to install WordPress on your domain. Once installed, go to your domain URL to access your new website. Log into the WordPress admin panel using the credentials provided. Choose a theme that suits your niche from the Appearance section. Customize the theme and add essential plugins for functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.